Good morning and welcome to another day. Today we're off to Coronation Street. Really excited. I'm not sure that we're going to be able to video in there, but we'll do our best to do like the outside of it and everything. So we've got to go on a train and we've got to go on a tram. But I think I might try and show you some of the hotel, so bear with me. So this is the inside the Holiday Inn at Bolton, and Beth showed me this yesterday. I'm not sure it's going to be open, but this is their wedding venue. And it's stunning. Bear with me if I can get in. Yeah, look. So this used to be a church. So this is where they hold their weddings here. So you've got this outdoor courtyard area here, and great big area for the bride to walk up the aisle. Isn't that lovely? Don't normally see this inside a hotel in a city centre, do you? Beautiful. Yeah. I guess you can have round tables if you want. Yeah. Just going out into the reception area. Photo opportunity wall.
Watching that in the middle was great. Oh, no.
Dining area. This is the bar. It's all right, isn't it, for just over £100 a night? So we've just got to Media City in Salford. We've come on the tram, and this is the Coronation Street Experience, and we'll be going into there in a minute. Yes, Bev? Oh yeah, look, Coronation Street. That's why we couldn't see it, because all the trees are in the way. Yeah. But yeah, Coronation Street, there we are. So we're just going to go across this bridge now, find a coffee shop. Stay with us. Oh, my friend Bev,
Back again. Sorry, you can't get rid of me.
Right, and Bev's got to buy me a coffee.
I have.
Yay! I'll make sure it's £9.50.
In your dreams.
In my dreams. This is gorgeous, isn't it? See?
We can see we're going over to BBC Studios.
Yeah.
I don't know if it'll show up on your vlog, but you can see all the shields from the
Blue Peter. We will when we get on the bridge. And we've just met these lovely couple who are all the way from Australia to do the Coronation Street Experience. But just to the right behind us here, this is the War Museum, which is next door to it. So everybody's asking the tram people that they're going to the War Museum because they don't want to lose their rep.
They're too embarrassed.
Yeah, so they're going to Corrie. Oh my goodness me. This is great. But the best thing is, tomorrow on my vlog, we're going on Icon at the Pleasure Beach. Oh, this is beautiful, Bevy.
It's lovely, isn't it?
Look at this.
It was raining last time we came up here,
It was
remember?
pouring with rain last time we came up here. Yeah. Wow.
Very much Manchester weather when we came before.
Oh look, if we'd have come to the bridge like I wanted to, it says on there quite clearly, Coronation.
Better from the railings over here.
Yeah. So we gotta go da 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 da. Yay! Yay! Coronation Street. Wow. Here we are. We're going to go in. Oh, sorry, vloggers, that was awful. We're going to go in the Rovers Return. So we're coming up to, well, hang on. Got to get it, that's better. Going to come to Media City. So there's the Blue Peter shields along there, look. Oh look, what's this, Bev? Pudsey. Oh, and look, it's oh gosh, what's this? Oh,
Night garden, is it?
Night gas set. I was going to say Teletubbies, but it's not. So you've got quite a lot up here. You've got the Lowry. It's what's she called? Topsy Tiddly or Twiddly or something like that. Yeah, something like that. Right, look. Oh, National Portrait Gallery. There's a lot going on here, Bev. Oh, is that a Starbucks? Wait. No, it's a Costa. Oh, so if we got a Costa, we can get that coffee that you said, and if it's any more than $3.50, I'll.
The cinnamon.
No, the
Oh yes, you wanted the salted caramel
yes,
frappe.
salted caramel frappe, and I'll give you the extra to the $3.50. Well,
There we go.
let's go Costa then. Oh, there's lots of coffee shops down here. Lovely. Yeah. Oh, I'm loving this, Bev.
Because we didn't get a chance to check it out, did we?
No. Loving it. Loving it. It's a seat in the sun.
Do you want us to get a seat and I'll go in?
Yeah, I'm going to go in later then, because I've got obviously got to have something to eat. But if I get this seat in the sun, I'll have. What am I drinking, Bev?
You got a salted caramel frappe, no cream. What do you think?
Absolutely flipping delicious. Hang on. Lovely, thank you, Bev. So we've just been down there having our coffee and we're just waiting to go into Coronation Street. This is beautiful. So this is University of Salford up here. You've got cargo on the docks. Looks amazing. Street food, art trail. Oh, Bevy's off. She's off. Let's follow her. She's gone. She's seen something.
Think about an art trail, so I'll have a quick
Ah. Oh, I love this. I love this, Bev. This is
stepping further, it's pretty.
this is me. Oh my god, I love it up here. I love it. I love it. Wow. This is a nice place for lunch, Bev. Yeah.
Let's do it. Sam, let's do it.
No. We got a Blue Peter garden. Hang on. Look, have a look.
What we all grew up with. Let's do it.
This way to the Blue Peter garden and the Gold Badge Walk. Come on, we're going to do it. We're going to do it. Wow. We could come back here and have a spot of lunch, Bev. Glass of wine. If you don't want to go to this rooftop bar. If you don't want to be going all into Manny.
Yeah, probably not, because obviously I've got to think about.
Yeah.
I can't leave everybody to do everything.
Yes, you can. Yes, you can.
It gets prettier as you go in.
Oh, yeah. Beautiful. This is so cool. Oh,
There's
look,
a tram.
there's a tram, yeah. So the tram's just come off the other side, Media City. So we could have gone to Media City.
And is this the Blue Picture? This must be all it then.
Well, look, like, I guess that's part of it.
Yeah. Of course, the bee is the symbol of Manchester anyway.
That's not a bee.
That's a bee.
It's blue.
It's a blue bee. It's a,
Okay.
it's a sculpture.
I've never seen a bee. It's a bee, apparently it's a bee. Looks like a fly to me. You sure that's a bee? Looks like a fly. Anyway, it's very pretty, Bev. Oh, look at this. Look at this.
It's wearing a Blue Peter badge.
Oh, let's have a look. Hang on. The flyby. We're going to call it a flyby. That's a plane. The flyby is wearing a... We're going to do some photos. I'm going to come off this vlog in a minute because I need to do some photoage in here. This is flipping
this is
gorge.
part of bringing up the
Oh,
greenhouse
look
and
at
everything.
this. So hi, I'm just going to end the Manchester Bolton vlog now. I've been home a couple of days, didn't really have time, having too much fun to do it there. Next week's the big one, off to Orlando. So I may go a bit quiet between now and next week, but once I'm away, I'm going to do the pre-flight video at the hotel and do as much as I can when I'm away. It's really hard vlogging when people that you're with don't want to be vlogged. That's going to be my main problem, but I'm going to really try to put some really interesting content on. Please, if you like anything at all about my vlogs, please like, please subscribe, and just to help me out. I really appreciate it. Okay, so probably catch you in Orlando.